Hello and a warm welcome to English Practice Beginners, where we practice slow and simple English in a calm, caring way to help you grow step by step. I will speak clearly and gently so you can hear every sound and follow each phrase with comfort. Take a slow breath, relax your shoulders and listen with kind attention to my voice as you shadow the lines. Shadowing means you listen and then repeat after me, copying the rhythm, stress and melody of each sentence at your own pace. Begin by speaking softly if you prefer, and then try a fuller voice when you feel steady and confident. Small repeated actions build strong habits. 5 minutes a day of calm practice helps more than an hour once a week. Simple sentences are powerful because they give you language you can use immediately in real life without confusion or pressure. Use the sentences with family, friends, in shops, on public transport, and watch your confidence grow as the lines become natural. Remember that mistakes are part of learning, and each mistake helps you notice how to say things more clearly next time. Keep your breath balanced while you speak and allow a natural rhythm to guide your words rather than forcing speed. Repeat each sentence 2 or 3 times, then pause briefly to feel the movement of the mouth and the flow of sound. This course is made for A1 learners and for anyone who prefers a gentle, UK accent-focused approach to daily English. Listen, repeat, and return to this lesson any evening or morning to build steady strength in your speaking. Speak kindly to yourself and celebrate small wins such as clear pronunciation of a difficult word or fluid rhythm in a sentence. Every paragraph here gives you repeated, useful lines, so your memory can hold them comfortably and your tongue can practice them slowly. Keep practicing the lines in real contexts, and you will notice how the sentences begin to appear naturally when you need them. Confidence grows from clarity and practice, not from perfection, and your voice will become more natural with steady repetition. Let us move through daily moments gently, from morning routines to evening rest, using clear lines you can copy today. Please breathe gently and let the words arrive slowly in your mind as you follow my voice. You can shadow me softly, speak after me in your own calm rhythm, and do not worry about perfection. Every small attempt is a step forward, and each repetition builds comfort in your speaking. Take the time you need and let your tongue learn the new patterns without pressure. Remember that clarity grows from steady practice, not from rushing through phrases quickly. Now continue with calm focus as we practice more useful sentences for everyday life. I will speak slowly and you will repeat in a steady manner so the language becomes familiar and comfortable. Use these lines in very small, real moments to help your progress. I wake up slowly and stretch quietly. I prepare a simple breakfast. I take a moment to plan my day. I enjoy a warm drink and look outside. I check my messages with a calm mind. I choose comfortable clothes for today. I put on my shoes and step outside gently. I walk to the bus stop and wait patiently. I greet people with a small smile when I can. I listen carefully to announcements and follow the route. You may whisper these lines once and then speak them again more fully when you feel ready. Keep your breathing soft and measured and feel how your mouth moves with each word. Slow listening helps your ear learn the sound patterns of English, and slow speaking helps your mouth copy those patterns naturally. It is helpful to imagine real situations as you say the lines. While you make tea, while you tidy the kitchen, while you prepare for a meeting, while you say goodbye to someone at the door. This method links language to life, so the sentences will come back to you when you need them. Speak gently, listen deeply, and do not rush your learning. Each time you return to this practice, the lines will feel more familiar, and you will feel less effort when you speak them in real moments. Allow your confidence to grow like a quiet habit, steady and calm with each little practice. Now, continue with calm focus as we practice more useful sentences for everyday life. The next set of lines will help at home and when you are with friends. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. Good morning. I hope you slept well. Would you like a cup of tea? I will make something light. I need a moment to wake up properly. I am getting ready now. I will be ready in 10 minutes. I will lock the door when I leave. I will check my bag for my keys. I will take a short walk later. These short, direct lines are exactly the kind of English people use in daily life when they are calm and considerate. Practice saying them in pairs or short dialogues with a friend, or alone in front of a mirror to help your mouth remember the sounds. Always try to keep a gentle pace and let the sentences fall naturally from your voice. If a word feels hard, say it slowly and repeat it a few times. The mouth will become used to the movement and the word will become easier. Keep your ears open as you listen and your mouth ready to copy the pattern you hear. Real-life English is not complicated, it is practical, short and clear. The more you practice these common, useful lines, the more automatic they will become in your speech. This is the path to smooth, simple fluency. Now continue with calm focus as we practice more useful sentences for everyday life. The next lines will help when you are out and about. Excuse me, could you help me with this? Where can I find bread? Is there a nearby shop? How much is this item? Can I pay by card? Thank you very much for your help. Have a lovely day. Could you tell me the way to the station? I will get off at the next stop. These lines are polite and clear and they show respect and friendliness when you speak to others. Shadow them with a calm, confident tone and imagine the friendly faces of people who help you. Practice the stress on key words such as where, how much, next, and thank you. The stress pattern in a sentence gives it meaning and helps listeners understand your intention. As you repeat these lines slowly, your mouth will learn the rhythm and your confidence will increase. Try to use these phrases during simple errands and watch how smoothly they help you in real situations. Each small success will build your belief in your speaking ability and will encourage you to practice more often. Keep the pace steady and be kind to yourself as you learn. Now continue with calm focus as we practice more useful sentences for everyday life. The next lines will help with work or study. I will arrive on time. I will finish this task today. I will prepare my notes before the meeting. Please can you send the file? Thank you for your guidance. I will share my ideas calmly. I will listen to your feedback. I will make the changes tomorrow. I will help with this task if you need me. I will keep trying and improving. These work-focused sentences are direct and polite, suited to a professional environment. Practice them slowly to keep your tone neutral and respectful. Use short pauses between phrases to collect your thought and keep clarity in your speech. Speaking slowly in a professional setting makes you sound composed and clear, and people appreciate careful, steady communication. Shadow these lines while imagining simple office moments or study times. The habit of saying clear, polite sentences will make everyday interactions in work or study comfortable for you. Keep practicing the rhythm and the stress patterns until the lines feel natural when you speak them aloud. This consistency will help your speaking become clearer in meetings, presentations, and conversations. Now continue with calm focus as we practice more useful sentences for everyday life. The next lines will help when you are with family or friends. How was your day? Would you like to join me for a walk? I appreciate your help. I enjoyed our chat today. Are you feeling okay? Tell me if you need anything. I will be with you shortly. Let us take a short break together. I am proud of you. We can try again tomorrow. These friendly, supportive sentences help you connect with those who matter. Speak them warmly and slowly, and use small natural gestures such as a smile or a nod to accompany the words. When you practice these lines, focus on the tone as well as the words. Kindness in the voice makes the language feel real. Use them in small daily moments and notice how they help soothe conversation and build good relations. Shadow them many times and let your mouth remember the easy sounds. This regular practice will make you more relaxed in social situations and more confident to express simple thoughts in English. Now continue with calm focus as we practice more useful sentences for everyday life. The next lines will help when you feel tired or need a break. I need a short rest. I will take a brief walk outside. I will sit quietly for a few minutes. I will drink some water and breathe slowly. I will sleep early tonight. I will try to relax and let go of worry. It is okay to stop and rest. Tomorrow is another day and I can try again. These lines are gentle and reassuring, and they help you look after your well-being in simple language. Learn to say them with a soft voice and steady pace so they feel soothing when spoken aloud. Practice them at the end of a busy day and allow the sentences to calm your mind. The habit of speaking kindly to yourself in English helps both language learning and emotional balance. Repeat these lines whenever you need to rest, and notice how language can support your calmness and recovery. Now continue with calm focus as we practice more useful sentences for everyday life. The closing lines will help you finish the lesson and carry the calm rhythm into your day. Thank you for spending time with me today. You have done well, and every small practice counts. Keep returning to these lines and they will become part of your voice. Speak slowly, breathe gently, and trust your progress. I will see you in the next session at English Practice Beginners. Say these lines softly and with kindness to yourself, and feel the quiet strength of steady practice. Remember that learning English is a gentle journey, and each little step matters. Keep the habit of slow listening and patient speaking, and your fluency will grow naturally over time. You are building real skills for real life, and your progress will be steady if you keep practicing a little every day. Thank you for practicing with me and for trusting this calm process. Keep going, stay kind to yourself, and remember that your voice matters.